or where there is an increase in the years that an office can be held, that will not change benefit the incumbent. This change in the constitution was put in 2013 because, as you know, we had museums, we had institutions, people who had stayed in office for many years, including President Mugabe, Maria Wandangzuwa, Tobai Wambebe, Gesho Mpasi, just to mention a few. So this provision was put to prevent what they were trying to do with Chief Justice Malaba. So we're very pleased that the court has vindicated that constitutional position. It's important that we protect this constitution. It's important that we implement this constitution, not to mutilate the constitution. So we're very grateful to the court for standing up to the constitution and the people of Zimbabwe.
And in short, what's the operative like? If you have to tell someone who was not here.
That you cannot be a judge if you've been a judge beyond the age of 70 years. If you've been serving as a judge of the Constitutional Court and the Supreme Court. And that is very important because that's what the Constitution says. Thank you very much.
What is the effect of the whole Amendment Act if it is going to be challenged in court now?
Well, you must know that there is a dispute already on whether that Act number 1 could have been passed after the dissolution of Parliament. That matter is now pending in the Constitutional Court. There's also a second dispute with regards to Constitutional Amendment number 2, which is whether you can amend a constitutional bill that has been gazetted, you can amend it in the committee stage. You can't. So there are going to be more and more constitutional battles in the building next door at the Constitutional Court. So Zimbabweans should be braced for a wind of discontent. We're in a constitutional crisis, and I hope that those who will be asked to judge will protect the Constitution, not politicians, and not be subject to state capture. Thank you very much.